Ngoko lejangu kole mondo moka kole akuikia ngua ya nzini imukwete no kutume hiyo itan hiyo itan I think it will go se Munduume.
Usiye kole se Munduume.
Ngi Munduume ka wiki ndio kuzuka So how kuna mali zinaingiana kweli?
Mwana usu mwena golio ingitwe thukezi.
Ogo ingitwe thukezi. Para ngoko lete abe ngingo amba kuigino ya obi mweke ati Munduume wapitu badiata. Masi ni kule kutimwa HIV ide wambesi.
Nayo kamza.
Bwana ni abali.
Kutimwa HIV ide wambesi na kazuni shabiki kule tu.
Kugondo kuma kwa free by the way. Dize bala mano we. Lakini like in Nairobi neze kwa imeta VCT centers. Na like in government institutions there like they free.
Ama tukwa ayo na Munduume ape kalaka kwedi me anomba.
Oh, a chemist. Ndio kwedi mawe weka.
Kwedi mawe. Stress no go iko weka. Induka ne kitiki. Kala kwedi mawe weka nomba.
Kula zeke umage positive kaneka. Like lakini yeah, I think the best is under the VCT centers, in government hospitals.
Kwena counselors.
Kitumi whatever outcome, counselor nime ukotedia, especially if it is positive. Nime uko advise on how to live positive, na whether no live productive and a long life. Till the end of life. Maduka jo look at the HIV positive, till end of life. Aye. Kwe ARVs.
Na lama kuitumia tuko encourage and me careless lakini sisi kozi ando utomea indi tunasi ando me careless mundu esubi ondo utoma umelemilio andawa kila mwe nawe madhina na kwa au melamu ile kasiana utoa ya kama nyuma wao ni mabitio
Mono kwanza
kwa ndo yuma kwa tonyo ndawa ndo kwa maita iwe ni amome.
Actually, Nadiu na imaze ona kwa ibedie. Not that ibedie I don't know HIV, it is very bad. But my heart goes to young children. Si anelasi asiwe na HIV. I find them really struggling. No keda kana kune kezi kwa muka keda yake enewe ndawa kaize kenewa si ake
kakwatie through the
parents. That is for me that is the most saddening thing. Now like now tuna generation ya ndume around their 18-20s ma siwe na HIV.
Too bad.
So imagine kana kuna keke enjoy sexual life. Because I mean how much can they do?
Wana maisha kekalo maisha
ni maisha wari
lonely nondo baimondo kana ku associate na such a person
na most
na dunia ni la tu
ya dunia dre I mean mundozo amanya I mean ndakeza kweka muzi wake nondo there is no hope much kitumi those people most of them are beyond the age of 30 up to them by the time they are 30 you know they have also been married ndawa from birth kumela maziwe most of them their life is up to around 30 years cause yanezwe they are why mwana utete konake
so to the a bit ni careful
yes.
Kwa lama tuzikize wadi wa anoint amani uitawa usikimbilie ndoa ni moto na lete ilo amaundu alamede wako katika mitwano sena usioko vida ni amaundu niwe wese mondo waku akoma angethetie niwe wese mondo waku ani walio wataka tumeka ni niwe wese mondo waku ndo we ana by the way peki ndo suono iwe wewe ka wese yulwa mutumia wako pe mundu tamutumia wese no iwe wewe ka yulwa kiweti chako tu yani siri usikimbilie ndoa ni moto.